that anxiety, you know, for somebody who struggles with anxiety, there's always that anxiety of the FOMO, right? You know, something new's launching, and like Happy Planner launched a few weeks back. And planning, I love organizing, and I've really used those two things to help me live a calmer life. Hello, beautiful peeps of YouTube, and welcome. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kat, and you're watching Planning Calm. And here in this channel, I love to share with you all the ways I can help you plan a calmer life or plan your way to calm. And in this video, I thought I would sit down and have a planner chat. This is the first planner chat that I have on my channel, and I'm just really excited to share with you folks today. I'm actually going to call it a Chit Chat with Kat video where I just can, you know, sit down, shoot the breeze, and catch up and chill with all of you. So I want to thank you so much for being here. I want to thank you so much for watching this video today. And the two topics that, well, first of all, I have to apologize because I had every intentions of making a tea and giving you a little bit of SMLR or whatever that acronym is called, little love, and I totally forgot. And I'm on a time crunch because I'm filming this on my lunch hour, so we're just gonna have to go with it sans the tea. But I do want to chit chat with you about a couple things that have been on my heart lately, and I thought I would share it with you. And the first is FOMO, or the fear of missing out, and the second is finding planner peace. And I want you to comment down below if you know what I'm talking about when it comes to the FOMO, because the FOMO is real, and it's been getting more and more real, and I've just had to kind of, just really, halt myself with all the feelings and the anxiety with all this stuff. And I know it sounds silly, but we'll get into that. But the day I'm filming this is actually, I believe it's Monday. Is it Monday or Tuesday? I don't even remember. I think it's Monday today. It's Monday, April 24th, and it's actually the official launch day of EC Spring Launch. And I gotta admit, I was really excited for this launch because I thought I would actually buy something from the line. It looks beautiful. It is amazing. And I used to be a huge EC lover. One of my first major big girl planner was an EC life planner, and oh goodness, I loved it to bits. But over the years, I discovered different things, and with shipping costs and other things, I just tried to find something more local because I live in Canada and sometimes things can be expensive. So, I was curious to know, is anybody else, interested too? So I believe it was last week, I put in my community tab, just essentially asking you people, how many of you would be purchasing from EC Spring Launch? And my goodness, I was surprised, y'all. I was surprised how many people were planning not to purchase from the line. And I just thought, like, oh my goodness, am I reading this right? Like, what? And I was watching the videos and getting inspired, and then the week before, I actually asked on my community tab about 2 weeks ago what planner folks are using and loving. And I was, again, astonishingly surprised by what I saw. And that was people were using a variety of planners. So gone are the days where EC and Happy Planner kind of ran the roost. And now we have a variety of planners, which I love to see. I love learning about one of my wonderful, beautiful subscribers was telling me about Sterling Ink and how it's in Canada now, and learning about like B6 planners and other style planners. And I'm like, oh my goodness, that is amazing. I love learning about new planners. And like even myself, I love planners too. Like this year I'm using a whole new planner lineup except for my HP planner. My main life planner is my Hobonichi cousin, which you've seen featured on this channel numerous times. And I love this planner. And also for my exercise and work planner, I'm using 2 of my Hobonichi weeks, and I love them. I love them. And also I've been using HP planners for my social media planner and journaling planner and other things as well. And I'm thinking in my head if there's any other planners. I've been using like a Stagology for my journaling, for my therapy or whatever. But, I feel like I found planner peace this year. I feel like I've found planner peace. I'm saying that twice just to to make sure. I feel like I found calm with my planning situation this year. And although, that FOMO is kind of nipping at my heels a little bit, I have no reason to go out and buy anything right now, like in terms of planners, because I have what I have. I'm using what I have, and more importantly, I love what I have. And I feel like, there's always that anxiety, for somebody who struggles with anxiety, there's always that anxiety of the FOMO, right? Something new's launching, and like Happy Planner launched a few weeks back, and then I was like, I should get some more stickers. I should get a Happy Planner this year. And I actually really I don't need to, because what I have is working great, and that's okay. And I want you to comment down below and let me know if you know what I'm talking about, because I can't be the only one feeling this way. Like, on one hand, there's the fear of FOMO, the fear of missing out on the next great thing, and then on the other hand, but I like what I have. It's okay to like what you have, isn't it? But I just feel like sometimes when it comes to the planner community, there's always something new to try, something new to learn about, and something new to discover. And as a wannabe content creator, my interest is, I want you to experience those trends, and I want to share those trends with you in hopes of helping you make a informed decision to plan your way to a calmer life. That's why I share my planners on my channel. And what I will not do, I think, is I don't think I will, just buy all the things to show you all the things so that you can go out and buy all the things either. But I will showcase with you the things that work for me in helping me plan a calmer life. And, the reality is that I really can't partake in all the trends. Number one, because my husband and I are on a financial journey where we're budgeting and we're being more cognizant of what we're spending and frivolous spending, because, we're a DINK couple, dual income, no kids, and it's really easy to I don't want to use the word selfish because that seems bad, but like he's a basketball player and things like that. And it's easy for him to buy some shoes and me to buy planner accessories. But that's spending money that doesn't need to be spent on those things. It could be spent on other things like, our schooling or savings or investments, whatever. So, we're really trying to reduce, the frivolous spending that we've been doing over the years. And it just really has made us really more cognizant of buying things that are important to us and that work for us, as opposed to the sake of buying things for buying things, if that makes any sense. And another reason why I don't buy a lot is because I live in Eastern Canada. I live in Canada. And like I said in the beginning of the video, a lot of things are expensive to ship here. And also a lot of things like you can't get in Canada. Like there's nothing more disheartening when you go on Etsy to buy something and it's like, we don't ship to Canada. You're like, darn it. But that's the realities. I can't change where I live right now, at least not anytime soon. And so I have to live with what I have to live with, and that's okay. And, it just, a lot of times too, when you go to buy something, the shipping is actually more expensive than the actual item you're buying. You're like, it ain't worth it, honey. It ain't worth it. So, I just kind of just foregone that. And, that's another reason why we can't shop. Can't buy from all the places and have all the things. And of course that fuels that FOMO thing, because you can't actually have access to all the things that you see on YouTube or you see on Instagram. And, for me, again, planning my way to calm is, understanding that I have what I have, I love what I have, and that's okay. And, to be honest with you folks, I actually started this channel 2 years, I want to say 2 years ago. And at the time I was teaching full time, and I was in between teaching jobs because I was doing contract teaching in a new province. And one of the reasons why I stopped making content is because I was teaching. I didn't have a lot of time to film content and edit and the whole process. But also it's because of the FOMO. I felt like I couldn't keep up with the trends. Like every week there was something new, a different planner or a different set of stickers, a different whatever. And I just couldn't keep up. And I just wasn't financially able, because I was in between contracts at the time, to buy all the things to be relevant on YouTube. And, I'm so glad that, I've kind of gotten out of that mindset. And now my my goal and my mission on this channel is not about all the stuff. I mean, let's be real. I have a lot of planner stuff, and I've accumulated a lot of planner stuff because I've loved planning. I used to be a former teacher, and I've been planning for 20 years. So there's a lot of planner stuff that I've accumulated, but it doesn't mean I need to go out and accumulate more just because somebody else has something that looks pretty or looks interesting or is trending right now on Instagram. So, and you know, like, I know this sounds silly. Like, there's so much going on in the world right now. I'm here sitting here talking about getting stressed out over planner supplies. But, you know, in the planner community, this is something that we're dealing with right now. And, you know, it's okay to express these and, you know, talk about all these things. And, you know, I'm here to remind you, if you're kind of feeling, you know, the FOMO vibes right now, you're not alone. Keeping up with the Joneses is a concept that has been around from even before the 50s, where everybody was just pushing to be like everybody else. And, you know, I want to encourage you to be your own be your own planner person, and there you'll find that peace within. And, you know, part of my, you know, plan your way to calm concept is really about was really born out of enjoying what you have, whichever planner that may be, and finding planner peace with what you have, and not feeling like you have to do all the things, and just finding and enjoying and loving what works for you, girl. And that's what makes it fun. And, you know, I think this is what we need to do more of in our community, is to share all our differences and all our tastes, and just have fun with it and really enjoy it. And, you know, planning shouldn't be complicated or stressful. It really should be about having fun, discovering what's new, enjoying what you have, and just, you know, just being you about it. And I really, really love being on this platform. I love making YouTube videos. I mean, it's a lot of work. The grind is real, but I love it so much. I love sharing with you. I love sharing my anxiety journey with you. I love sharing my what's in my bags with you, which is coming up soon on my channel. I just love sharing planning and organizing with you, because that is who I am. I've been that way my whole life. I love planning. I love organizing, and I've really used those two things to help me live a calmer life, especially this year when things have been really, really stressful and really, really anxious for me. And so, you know, what I share with you on this channel is not for you to run out and buy it, but I share with you what I share because it has helped me live a calmer life. And I just thought that would be important to share with you today. So thank you so much for watching my Chit Chat with Kat planner chat video today. Thank you so much for being here. I know taking time out of your busy day to sit down and spend some time with me is just something that I don't take for granted, something that I really, really appreciate. So thank you so much for being here. And I want you to comment down below and let me know how you feel about this topic, finding planner peace and the fear of missing out on things, or FOMO, and if you've ever been impacted by it, and what do you do to combat it as well. So thank you so much for being here, and until the next video, my friends, take care, be well, and be blessed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, friends.